Photocrafts are some of my favorite things to create. It's so fun to preserve your memories, whether it's for a gift, like Mother's Day, or a birthday, or even making it for yourself. I love how fun they are, and it's always great to look back and remember those special times. As a new mom, Photocrafts are my #1 gift, and I'm making them for myself. And what makes it so easy to create with Photocrafts is Aleene's Premium Decoupage in Matte. I love it, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create some colorful photo canvases that are great to keep for yourself or give as a gift for a birthday, Mother's Day, or really any holiday. For this project, you're going to need a 12 by 12 stretched canvas, going to need 2 photos printed on 8 by 10 paper, going to need 2 sheets of cardstock, going to need sticker letters, a scissor, paintbrushes, a paint palette, Aleene's Premium Decoupage in Matte, and you're also going to need acrylic paint. I love Color Shot because it's so bright. All right, are you guys ready? Let's get started. I absolutely love how this photo canvas turned out, and I made a matching one using pink and purple. How great are these to gift? But you know what? I love the photos and the memories so much. I think I'm gonna keep these ones. All right, so for more creative ideas, make sure that you follow me at CraftBox Girls or visit craftboxgirls.com for more creative projects and find out more ways that you can craft with photos and the other great projects you can make with Aleene's adhesives. Make sure to visit Aleene's website and follow them on social. All right, guys, I'm gonna go display these. They look so cute. I love how sweet my girls look. All right, happy crafting, friends.